In this video, I will show you how you can get the calculator app on any iPad. Now, iPads did not used to have a calculator app for a long time, but after the iPadOS 18 update, Apple has brought the calculator app to the iPad. Now, if your iPad is on iPadOS 18 or later, you will find the calculator app on your iPad, just like that. But for an example, let's say if you have deleted the calculator app by mistake, and if you want to get it back, now to do that, just open the App Store, and in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just scroll down and select the calculator by Apple, then tap on the Get button over here. And after you do that, you will download the calculator back on your iPad. Now let's say if you have an older iPad, which is running on iPadOS 17 or earlier, then you will not have the calculator app on your iPad. You will have to download any other calculator from the App Store. Now just open the App Store, then in the search bar just search calculator, and from here just install any calculator which you prefer. For an example, I will install this one. Now after you do that, you will install a third-party calculator on your iPad. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.